You got your GoPro today? Are you gonna be wearing it?
The Hero 8.
You wearing it?
I'm gonna ride with the GoPro. I'm gonna get some follow cams.
Okay. You gonna follow me with it?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm on the same bike here.
The Ritmo.
This Ritmo.
Yeah.
A couple things have changed.
What?
New grips.
Oh, you got some new grips.
Got some lizard skins.
What are these? Oh, those are the Danny McCaskills.
And I got some new gloves.
All right.
Definitely gonna be channeling the cheetah. And K5 MTB. That was a nice surprise gift from you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 19 in the back, 17 in the front.
Yep.
And I'm gonna pressure down today too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go like, I might do exactly the same.
Okay, let's do it the same.
Yep, I gotta let a little air out of mine, and so the first thing we're gonna do is go up Jim Branch.
Oh, we're gonna go right up. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go right up
How
Jim
many
Branch.
times are you gonna try and make it up?
I just want to get warmed up. I might even just go around it this time, the first time up.
Yeah, they do have a nice go around now.
Yep. It's
Let's
cold.
see.
It's cold. We got to get riding. It's cold. It's
All right,
40
let's get on the
degrees.
bikes and let's warm up.
All right.
First ride is always the hardest, getting acclimated to the uphills and the cool air for sure. A little downhill fun on Jim Branch. Open it up. Pop it. Sun is shining. Made it up the Jim Branch climb. Now I'm rolling it. Whew. Never been here in March. Trees are pretty bare still. It's a beautiful day. I'm warming up.
So we just made it up Jim Branch, and we're here at
Isaac Heath.
Isaac Heath.
Going up.
We're just kind of winging it today. Just getting used to being back out in a little bit of elevation.
You might want to film me going downhill. I'll probably open it up.
You're gonna open it up?
And hop a couple.
All right, cool.
All right, let's do it.
I'll try and keep up.
Okay.
All right, see if I can keep up.
Down Isaac. I could definitely jump this one.
Oh.
What do you think? Jump this one? Get some air? Damn, I'm getting too cocky. I better settle down.
Pushing the limit.
Thunder. Thunder. Woo!
Fun.
Whew.
A lot of little jumps.
Oh man, my eyes are getting so watery. Can't really see here. I'm slowing it down some.
You were going so fast on Isaac Heath.
Yeah.
You didn't even stop to play around on anything.
Yeah, I just really bombed it. I wanted to just feel that downhill rush.
All right.
All right, we just hopped off a hilltop. If you go to the right, you just can't resist stopping for this waterfall. I mean, how can you not stop for this? Dupont, baby. This is where it's at. Oh my gosh. One time I just laid right on this rock and just chilled. Soak in some sunshine. Look at that sky.
We made a wrong turn.
Uh-huh.
So now we get to go up Isaac and then down Isaac for a little bit. You gonna follow me?
I'm gonna follow you.
All right, see if you can do it. Ready?
All right, go. I gotta get in the right gear. All right, my clunky hub. Whoa. Ah, I already lost him. Oh, teacher. Damn, he's so fast.
Did you follow me?
Yep. I caught up with you at the end there.
So you didn't follow me.
Downhill, Hooker Creek. Let's go. All gush, opened up. This was closed in October. It's a really fun downhill. Try and do it. Minimal brakes. Woo. Yo. Damn. All right, I'm using some back brake, slowing it down a little bit. Jeez. Woo! Yeah. Definitely using some brake, but mostly because my eyes are getting watery. That's a fun trail. Woo! Whoa. Oh! That's rocky. Nice little stream. And now we're going up.
All right, we're going down Hickory Mountain Loop, right?
Hickory Mountain down.
Hickory Mountain down. I'll give you.
Finally, a downhill.
Yep. It's all downhill from here.
I gotta get used to going down. I feel like I've been climbing for so long. Hickory Mountain is a bit of a climb up. But right now, it's just cruising into the sunshine, baby. Little jump. Oh, we got a dog and a hiker up. You gotta be careful for that. Hey guys, there's one back.
Okay.
All right, I gotta remember to look out for people coming up. I can't bomb it too fast. Whew. All right, one more speed up. Boom. What a beautiful day though. We really lucked out. This weather is gonna be nice the next few days. Woo! Let your bike do the work. Oh, we got a little rock quarry. All right, nice. All right, no brakes for a little bit. See how fast we can get going. Oop, little brake. It's actually nice this time of year also because, I mean, of course the fall is beautiful with the changing leaves. But this time of year, the sunshine comes right through because there are barely any leaves on the trees. So you get that sunshine to warm up the body when it's in the 40s. All right. Oh, that's it, I think, right? Let's check it. Yeah. Ridgeline.
This is Ridgeline Trail that leads up to the main ridgeline coming out of Hickory Mountain. It's kind of fun, really. Got some nice rollers. It's really smooth. Kate's popping some airs. Woo! Yeah. Nice. Yes. All right, good luck. All right, Kate's going down Ridgeline. I'm gonna give her about 3 minutes.
All right, it takes me a second to settle in. And once I'm settled in, I go fast. Ridgeline, Dupont State Forest, March 12th, 2023. Nice. Woo! Roller coaster, baby. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. So flat, smooth, fun. Sitting back, got my seat down, a little pedaling, and we go. Boom. Woo! Looking out for any hikers, no one's coming up. Nice. All right, I gotta get up some speed here. Ah, yeah. Nice. hump track. All right, let's get up high. Oh, whoa. Phew, I wonder how long this is. Oh, man. Legs are actually getting a little sore. Oh, yeah. Ah. And we go flying into the berm, up high on the berm. Ah, feel the burn, baby. Yeah, never ending ridgeline. Damn. Oh yeah, feel that speed? You see that speed? Ah, yes. Boom, high, low, high, low, high. Oh, almost popped a wheelie right there. Oh. Wonder how the Bronson mullet is doing on this. Probably going pretty fast. Slightly out of control. And probably almost catching up to me. Nah, he usually gives me like 5 minutes ahead before he starts. Whoa, that's tight. 3 more little humps. And that's it. Ridgeline. All right.
Ah. I didn't catch you. How was your day?
Oh, it was really fun. Honestly, it felt good. Like I felt pretty strong.
Good.
Yeah.
The hardest part was the very beginning.
Jim Branch.
Yeah, because when you first get on your bike, it just takes a little time to get going.
Yeah. How'd you feel today?
Same thing. The first climbing Jim Branch in the beginning, I felt like I hadn't ridden a bike in 10 years.
I know.
But as the day goes on, you actually kind of just start getting better. You forget. Some of those climbs on Hickory Mountain were no problem. Really, it wasn't bad.
Worth the view. Worth the downhill.
All right, let's pack it in.
All right.
All right.